Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, as you could tell from our title, we will be unboxing our Allure beauty box for the month of September, okay? For those of you who are not familiar with the Allure beauty box, well, I will leave all the details down below, but I will let you know that this box is $25 per month and you get 5, sometimes 6 products inside. A lot of times there are quite a few full-size products, okay? So let's just go ahead and open it and see how we start off for this month, okay? So when we open it, it says, "We know beauty best. Allure has been a touchstone in the beauty industry for more than 30 years. We literally invented beauty journalism back when the first issue of Allure was published, and we've been critically evaluating beauty products and their ingredients list ever since." So for those of you who may not necessarily be familiar with this, if you know anything about the Allure magazine, this is another branch of that, okay? So when we open the box, the first thing we have is a information card, and it says, "It's that time again. Our annual Best of Beauty Awards are coming. Shop the member store for more winners," okay? And this is what that information card looks like. And on the back, it shows a couple of the items that are available for sale, okay? At a wonderful discount, okay? And the sale actually starts on September the 9th. Then we have our Allure Beauty Box magazine. And this month's box, the theme is called Fall Into Place. And that's it right there, okay? And it says, "Remember when makeup brands used to come out with jewel tones every fall? I love a rich berry lipstick as much as the next child of the 90s. But sometimes it's nice to keep things light in September too." So this month's Allure Beauty Box includes a sheer cheek and lip tint to carry that fresh-faced summer radiance into fall, plus a few more goodies, okay? So the very first item that we have is indeed what they were just talking about, okay? And this is the Nude Sticks, all right? And I don't know if you remember last month's box, I did share with you that we had an opportunity to choose the shade that we want. It says Nude Sticks is known for its so easy to use sticks. It says, "The Nudes Matte All Over Face Blush Color in Sunset Strip, Naughty and Spice, or Picante, or Nude Sticks Nudes Bloom All Over Face Dewy Color in Cherry Blossom Babe." So what I chose was Naughty and Spice. I don't know if you can really see that shade that's around it, but it says this is a cream blush and it rises above the rest because each shade gives your cheeks and lips a natural glow of color that brightens up your whole look, okay? And the manufacturer's retail price is $35. And this one is a 0.25 ounce size. And so on one end is the brush. So after you put your blush on, you can do your thing and blush it out that way. And this is what my shade actually looks like. And as you know, we swatch at the end. So we will be swatching this so you can see exactly what it looks like, okay? So that one is the first item. And in our magazine, we do have a code to get 15% off. And this code is good until October 31st, okay? The next product that we have is this one right here. And this is the Ren Skincare Radiance Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream, all right? And it says it's hard to find an eye cream that actually makes a difference in how under eyes look. But with consistent nightly use, I've noticed this formula helps lessen both discoloration and puffiness. Okay, and it says just tap it on with your pinky or ring finger so you don't stretch or tug on the thin, delicate skin. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $51, and that is for a 15 milliliter size. Now, guess what? That is this one, all right? So, of course, this is the outside packaging. This is what the inside packaging looks like. And I love these where you can see just how much product you have inside. This one is a vegan product. It has a 9-month shelf life. And it says these are products that respect your skin and the planet. Okay, now I do like this one because I like their products anyway. I have quite a few products by Ren. They are clean products and they do what they actually say they're going to do. Okay, so that one, and as a matter of fact, the first one that we have, both of these full-size items. Okay, so we have more than doubled what we would have spent for this box with just this product alone. All right, so let's just keep going and see what the next item we have is. That one is this product right here, and this is the Dear Midnight Allure lip pencil, and this is in the shade Stella. It says this pinky pencil helps define lips so they look fuller under your favorite lipstick or new shiny gloss. It also helps stop the color you put on top from smearing or bleeding. That's one of the things that I love. Okay, now this one is a 0.03 ounce size, which is a full size product, and it is $18. There's also a 20% off coupon that we have, and that one is good through November. Okay, so we are moving right along. All right, let's see what kind of shelf life this one has. It has a 12-month shelf life, so we may very well be swatching this one as well. All right, so let's keep going. The next item that we have is a sample, and it's this one right here. This is the Vanilla Company Clean It Zero Calming Cleansing Balm. Love a good balm. It says Clean It Zero is a beloved K-Beauty cleansing balm. It melts into an oil texture, easily sweeping away makeup and leaving skin softer in the process. This is an updated version, is every bit as sumptuous with the added benefit of a skin smoothing cacao, a favorite K-Beauty ingredient. Okay, now this one is a 7 milliliter size, but the full size is actually a 100 milliliter size, and that one is $22. Okay, there is also a coupon, but you would have to use it on their site for 25% off. Okay, and that one is valid until October the 31st as well. Now this one is a vegan product, and let's see, the expiration date on this one is January 25th, 2027. Okay, so let's keep going. We're already at item number 4. That was item number 4. So item number 5, we are not finished. Okay, so the next item we have is by Beauty for Certain. All right, and this one is a high pigment gloss, and it's in diamond. All right, and it says clear and glitzy. This high shine gloss has the prettiest shimmering effect on lips. It makes them look fuller and feel more hydrated, and it doesn't slide right off. All right, quite the contrary. This gloss wears well for a couple of hours. I like those claims. Definitely like those claims. Now this one is a 3.5 milliliter size, which is actually a full-size product as well, and it goes for $22. Okay, and it has that clearness to it, so you can actually see through the packaging. Now let me see if I can see a expiration date. I believe this says it has a 12-month shelf life. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Can't say for certain if we're going to open it yet, because I have quite a few of the glosses open. Okay, so let's just keep on. The next item that we have is this one right here. This is Red Flower Palo Santo Cleansing Hair Wash. And it says this sexy woody smell of Palo Santo, a South American tree, is the stuff of niche perfume heaven. And it's even been used as a natural remedy for easing stress. Okay, I like that. Now your hair can smell like one of the perfumery's most revered woody notes thanks to Red Flowers Shampoo. Okay, this one seems to be pretty full as well. Not bad at all. Okay, and it says just suds it up at your roots with this product. Rinse and use your favorite conditioner on the length and the ends. Okay, this one is a 40 milliliter size, but the full size product would be 300 milliliters and the price is $38. Okay, if you choose to go on to redflower.com to purchase it, there is a 20% off code in our pamphlet. Okay, so let's see if we can actually, oh, that does smell nice. Yeah, that's pretty nice. That is pretty nice. Now let me see what kind of shelf life. This one has 12-month shelf life. Okay, and it says trees hold life. This holy wood botanical extract, B vitamin and tree oils, 100% cruelty and paraben free. Okay, I like it. And we are down to our last item. Now, I saw these in the store just the other day and I really was ready to purchase it, and I don't know why I waited. Well, I didn't then. I do now because I have it here. And this is the Dove Plant Milk Cleansing Bar. And this one is in coconut milk and sugar, leche, oat milk and berry brulee, or turmeric milk and lemon drop. And as I stated, this one is coconut milk and sugar leche. Okay, that's this one right here. And it says bar soaps are usually more utilitarian than fun, but Dove's sweetly scented bars actually liven up your shower. The fragrances are subtle while you're sudsing, so you get a hint of coconut or berry or lemon as you start or end your day. Okay, now this one is a full-size product, which is 5 ounces, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for it is $5.99. Now, it says that this one is a PETA-approved product, and it's a 98% biodegradable formula, 100% gentle cleansers, no sulfates, no cleansers, and no parabens, and it is pH balanced, made with the good stuff. Okay, I am here for it. I do not see an expiration date on here, but that's okay. All right, so that is the last item in our box. What do you think? What do you think? It says a smooth revitalizer. Okay, I'm here for it. All right, so let's just see what we have to swatch. I'm considering this lip gloss right now. I think I will. I wasn't sure why I left my lipstick matte today, although I love a good matte lip. But I'm going to go ahead and open this and use our lip gloss. So y'all know that I make sure to clean off my applicator in between every use so that I can make sure that it maintains the integrity of its color. Okay, so let's try this one. Wow. I put very little on. It feels nice and smooth. It has a really nice light vanilla scent. I like that. I do like that very much. And of course, I've already cleaned off my brush so I could put it back in, or my applicator so I could put it back in. I like it. I like it a lot. And if I wasn't trying to be so careful, with the applicator, I probably would have put maybe another swatch on. But it really doesn't look bad at all, and it feels fantastic. It really does. It really does. Okay. And then let's see what this blush shade actually looks like. This will kind of go good with my other blush that we have. That's what the blush looks like. Pretty. And it's also, it can also be used as a lip tint. Okay. We do have the brush included. Before I use it, I'm going to have to make sure that I can actually clean it without having any issue. Otherwise, I will be using my regular brush. Okay, and let's just check out the shade of this lip liner. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and swatch the lip liner next to it. Okay, this is almost a perfect match. Look at that. So we can use this as a liner and the lip tint. Okay, that's what the shade looks like. Okay, so tell me what you think. What do you think? All right, we have an opportunity to try out the new and improved Zero before you go out and purchase a new one, but the price is not bad. It's definitely worth it. Of course, our Ren product, so we can get rid of under eye puffiness as well as the dark circles. Okay, so let me know your thoughts about the lip gloss as well. All right, so let me know your thoughts down below. I just want to tell you that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend some time with me on today as we unboxed our September Allure Beauty Box. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for all the full-size products that were enclosed. Okay, now make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and it's free for you to join, okay? But make sure you share this video. Share it with someone who may be interested in voting for the Best of Beauty Awards or getting a fantastic discount on some upcoming items, okay? So make sure you remember, most importantly, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time,